Let us solve this one. In an area, if the total people, 40% were women and 45% coffee drinkers. Okay, 1/3 of the males are coffee drinkers. Suppose the total number of persons in that area is 100. Problem says that 40% of them are women. So if 40% of them are women, how many of them are going to be men? It is nothing but 60. And 45% of them are coffee drinkers. Out of 100, 45 are coffee drinkers. 1/3 of the male are coffee drinkers. Out of these 60 males, 1/3 are drinking coffee. So which is 1/3 of 60 is 20. So how many women are going to be coffee drinkers? Because collectively the total number of coffee drinkers is 45 and 20 men are drinking coffee. So how many women are going to be drinking coffee? 25 women are going to be drinking coffee. What is the problem now? Then the number of female non-coffee drinkers. Non-coffee drinker female. Collectively, how many female do we have? 40. Out of 40, 25 are drinking coffee. So how many of them are not drinking coffee? 15. What is the right answer? Option A